everyone. So today I am going to tell you one story of a girl. That girl name is Anita. This is a real story and it is in our lesson. Okay, in fifth lesson of fourth class. That lesson name is Anita and the Honeybees. Okay, so this is one old story, and in this story, one girl is there. That girl name is Anita Kushwaha. Okay, she lives in Bocha village, and Bocha village is in Muzaffarpur district. Okay, in which district? Muzaffarpur district. Okay, and Muzaffarpur district is in Bihar, and we know that Bihar is one state of our India, and the capital of Bihar is Patna, right? So suppose you want to find any your house location or your village location on the map, then you should know all the information of your area. You should know the all from small to big information about your area. Then easily you can find. Like suppose you should know the village name first. Then that village comes in which tehsil, okay, or mandal. That tehsil come in which district. That district comes in which state, okay, and that state comes in which country, and that country comes in which continent. Like this you should know the information, then easily you can find the location of your village or your house, right? So in this story, what one girl is there, Anita Kushwa. So when she was small, okay, when she was child, like 4 or 5 years old, so that time one condition was there. That time that girls child were not allowed to go to school, okay, only boys child were allowed to go to school. So and the people thought, that time people used to thought that girls should be at home, okay, they should do household work, they should learn housework, they should not go outside, okay, of the house, and boys can go anywhere, okay, that time they had right to go anywhere, they can spend lot time out of the house. So this type of condition was there. So in that condition, this Anita Kushwa, she had a lot of interest to go to school, okay, she wanted to go to school like other students are going in their village. So but their parents denied this thing, that you are girl, you can't go like others girl, you should be at home house and you should learn some household work. So one day what happened, when she was grazing the animals, that time she saw that one school is running in their village, okay. So she peeped inside the school and she observed that teacher is teaching the student in good uniform, they were sitting on the floor, okay, and they were learning, they were doing some activities, right? So this all things she observed and she thought to sit there, okay. So she silently went inside the room and she sat behind of that student, and she observed and she felt so happy after that seeing all the things, okay. And after some time she returned back to home, okay, she returned home and she told this all things to her parents. So her parents scold her that why you went there, okay, you should not go there, and you should be come back, okay, in proper time. So told her father to go to school, okay, but her father denied, they were not agreed to send her to school. So she cried a lot, okay. And then when she was crying, then one teacher was going from there. So they observed that why this girl is crying. So they found the reason that she wanted to go to school, but her father refused that thing, okay, and they told that you can't go to school. So that teacher made that parents understand that this is right of each and every child to go to school, okay. This is one this things comes in one act, that is RT Act. RT full form is right to education, okay. And what is the reason of this RT Act, what is the thing is in there. So RT Act is one act, right to education. It is about our child education, okay, children education. And in this act it is there that each and every child has right. This is one their fundamental right, their fundamental basic right to go to school, okay, and no one can stop them. And the thing is that if suppose any parents is getting difficulty to send their children to school, according to economic condition. Okay, so government made this thing that no parents means parents don't have to pay anything. They means from school children will get all the things like study. From school they will get study material. From school they will get uniform. From school they will get midday meal. Okay, and from school they will get some activities item. So for up to 8th class, okay, this is for 6 to 14 years children. Okay, means up to 8th class, no children, no parents have to pay anything for their children's education. And they told that what is the importance of education. Okay, and in our life education has very much most important role in our life. Okay, we should be educated anyhow, and this is right of every child. And suppose if you don't go to school, then you will not, you can't learn, you can't read and write. Okay, and if you don't know read and write, okay, so that thing is that you will not get any good job. Okay, and you can't earn good money, right? So there is more importance of education in our life. So each and every child should go to school. So this is about RT Act. So they told to their parents. So their that girl parent agreed. Okay, that okay, and they started to send her school. So that time she felt so happy. Okay, after going to school, and like that she was not topper of the class, but she used to ask so many questions, very interesting questions to the teacher, and teacher was felt so happy after when she asked so many questions to a teacher. And like that she learned past her 1 to 5 classes. Okay, and after 5 she felt that now maybe their parents will tell her to leave the school, but she wanted to get high study also. So what she started, that she started to take tuition classes of small children. After passing the 5th class, she started to take tuition classes of small children. So she used to teach the tuition classes children with very lovingly. Okay, with more passion and more love. So more students started to come to that Anita. So some other boys of her neighborhood, they saw these all things, and they got jealous. They thought that they thought to stop this tuition classes of Anita. Then they tried to scare the children who was coming to near to Anita. So after for 2-3 days no student came to Anita for tuition classes. So but that student automatically they understood that this is not good thing. Okay, these boys are doing bad thing, they are doing wrong thing. Okay, they are not allowing a girl to go ahead. Okay, they wanted to suppress that girl. So that's why they are doing this all things, and we should go. So they started to come to tuition classes of Anita, and Anita used to teach them with more activities and with more love, with more passion, and she used to solve their all doubts. So they liked this all things. Okay, so like this did this all things. And when she grew up, that time she started to go some other villages also, and she started to tell this all things about education, about the importance of education to village people.